Okay, so I'm going to take the Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow by Stila in the color Kitten. I haven't even blown out my hair, but like this eyeshadow is more important than my hair being done. Okay, let's do this here. So this is Kitten. Pretty, right? I actually put too much on. Don't need a lot. So pretty. Just subtle, going out, daytime, easy. Love this. Okay, let's put her back. Bye, Kitten. Then I'm going to take my Damsel Dark Brown, which is the Smudge and Set Gel Eyeliner, and then I'm going to go over it. That. And then a little bit under. Just subtle. Okay, let's blend it a little bit. Make sure you use a clean eyeshadow brush, unlike me. Just blends really pretty. It's like a nice little pop. Subtle. Yay!